I made 30 views last time. Thanks to everybody that watch and like. I mean, yo, I appreciate it. But that's not today's topic. Today's topic is about how to make a sexy drill beat.
We're making a sexy drill beat.
Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so.
It's giving Travis Scott.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you how I feel. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so.
I know it's loud. I'm gonna master it later. Copy and duplicate. I left to master the open head after this. Are we cooking or what? Comment down below, my boy.